Welcome back to Dwanko channel. We all face setbacks in life, but it's how we bounce back that truly defines us. In today's video, we're diving into 10 steps to bounce back from failure and uncovering powerful strategies to help you turn setbacks into comebacks. If you're ready to transform your failures into stepping stones to success, this video is for you. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts or experiences, and subscribe to Dwanko channel for more motivational content that helps you live your best life. Let's get started. Failure is an inevitable part of life. Every successful person has encountered failure at some point on their journey. But what sets them apart is not that they failed, but how they bounced back from it. Here are 10 actionable steps to help you rise from failure, stronger and more determined than ever. 1. Acknowledge your feelings. The first step in bouncing back from failure is to acknowledge your emotions. Whether it's disappointment, frustration, or sadness, it's natural to feel these emotions after a setback. Allow yourself to experience them without judgment. Acknowledging your feelings can prevent them from festering and turning into long-term discouragement. Give yourself permission to feel, then gradually work on moving forward. 2. Take responsibility. It's easy to blame others or external factors for your failure, but true growth comes from taking responsibility. Reflect on the role you played in the outcome and identify what you could have done differently. By taking responsibility, you empower yourself to make changes and improve in the future. This accountability is the cornerstone of personal development and resilience. 3. Learn from the experience. Every failure carries valuable lessons. Take the time to analyze what went wrong and why. What were the key factors that led to the failure? What could have been done differently? By understanding these aspects, you can avoid making the same mistakes in the future. Learning from failure turns setbacks into stepping stones toward success. 4. Reframe your perspective. Shift your mindset from seeing failure as a negative outcome to viewing it as an opportunity for growth. Failure is not the opposite of success, it is part of the journey to success. Reframing your perspective helps you to see failures as temporary obstacles rather than permanent setbacks. Embrace the idea that every failure brings you one step closer to success. 5. Set new goals. Once you have learned from your failure, it's time to set new goals. Use the insights gained from your experience to create more realistic and achievable objectives. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps, and establish a clear action plan. Setting new goals provides you with direction and motivation, helping you to stay focused and driven. 6. Develop a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work, dedication, and learning. Embrace challenges, persist in the face of setbacks, and see effort as a path to mastery. By cultivating a growth mindset, you become more resilient and adaptable, making it easier to bounce back from failure. 7. Seek support. You don't have to go through the journey of bouncing back from failure alone. Seek support from friends, family, or mentors who can provide encouragement and guidance. Sharing your experience with others can offer new perspectives and help you feel less isolated. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people who believe in your ability to succeed.
8. Take care of yourself. Failure can take a toll on your mental and physical well-being. Prioritize self-care by maintaining a healthy lifestyle, getting enough rest, and engaging in activities that bring you joy. Practice mindfulness and stress-reducing techniques, such as meditation or yoga. Taking care of yourself ensures that you have the energy and resilience needed to face challenges and bounce back stronger. 9. Stay persistent. Persistence is key to overcoming failure. Understand that setbacks are a normal part of any journey, and success rarely comes without effort. Stay committed to your goals and keep pushing forward, even when things get tough. Remember that failure is not a reflection of your worth, but rather an opportunity to learn, grow, and try again. 10. Celebrate your progress. Finally, take the time to celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Recognize and acknowledge the effort you have put in to bounce back from failure. Celebrating your achievements, however minor, boosts your confidence and motivates you to keep moving forward. By appreciating your progress, you reinforce the belief that you are capable of overcoming obstacles and achieving success. Conclusion. Bouncing back from failure is not easy, but it is possible with the right mindset and approach. By following these 10 steps, you can turn setbacks into opportunities for growth and become more resilient. Remember, failure is not the end, but a stepping stone towards your ultimate success. Embrace failure, learn from it, and keep moving forward with determination and confidence. Your greatest achievements are yet to come.